Hi, my name is Sarah, a tutor with Young and Code Limited. We are currently offering a free 1 week tutoring program for students who want support in academics, coding, or language learning. This includes subjects like math, sciences, coding, and even indigenous languages such as Efik, Yoruba, Igbo, and Hausa. The program runs from 29th December to 5th January. To join, send free to our WhatsApp number above.